spaghetti, mashed potato, steak, and broccoli.
Chill, eat some food later. We're getting ready to serve.
Back and I'm better than ever.
Sak passe, guys. Welcome to Libien Becker Health. Wait a second, you can't see me. Welcome to Libien Becker Health. We're gonna turn the lights on here. Here we go. We got some chef making us food. Luckily, this time I'm not making food today. I'm not cooking dinner. My special chefs over here. They're just gonna tell you guys what they're cooking up here. Madame, interview time. Dis-moi qui ça vous fait pour manger. Tell the audience what you're making me for food.
Spaghetti, mashed potato, steak, and broccoli.
Spaghetti, mashed potatoes, steak, and broccoli. Okay, we are making spaghetti, mashed potatoes. Spaghetti, mashed, well, we are either having steak with mashed potatoes and broccoli or spaghetti with meatballs and something else. But we decided to cook because we don't want to have to go eat outside of our, well, we are basically at like a mini resort type place in Samana. And this community, it's like a gated community and they have food and everything for us to eat. Chill, eat some food later. The bar area is right aquí. Have a drink. Wine, can taste some wine. Table for group. We can set reservations here to eat, which is good. Oh, here's some music. But we don't even know how much that's gonna be, so we'd rather cook ourselves instead. This is where I'm actually at. Yep, on vacation with the wife. And she's making me food. And we're deciding to be healthy by eating here instead of eating out. And it's gonna be good because it's handmade, homemade. Anything's better. Everything's better homemade and healthy. We're letting the potato warm up, boil right now. So it's pretty good. Is there anything you want to say, Sherry? What are you making here?
I don't speak English.
Fine, she's making a juice is what she's making right now. She's Asian way. She ain't gonna blame me if she cuts her finger. Oh, that looks so good. Passion fruit, baby. Wait, that's not. What's the name of that fruit? Granate. In English?
Passion fruit.
Yeah. Gotcha. You know how to say it in English. She's making me passion fruit juice, which is good. Kitchen is pretty good. Food's warming up. We got souk.
Yeah, for the juice.
Oh, okay. We need souk. Sugar's not my favorite. She knows that, but it's okay. Just for the juice. Is this one not good?
That's it, sabon.
No. Hey, this one is bad. It's okay. But grandma excited though. She's just chilling in here. I know what else we're gonna do, but we did go to the beach. And tomorrow I'm probably gonna go for a run in the morning around the community here. I'm gonna take the drone out actually. These are potatoes getting mashed. And then our steak is seasoning up. And sorry guys, I do not have my cast iron, so I have to use this non-stick pan on medium heat. And then the broccoli steaming up in here, and that's done. Steak is currently cooking at medium heat. Gonna flip it after 4 minutes. Just let one side get going. Everybody's still chilling, and so am I, like a villain. Doing some work on the computer. Yeah, I'm eating late. Not my original. I apologize right now. My steak doesn't look pleasing, but I believe it is. I can get it a little golden here. So we're getting ready to serve. All done. Let it sit right now. And then gotta serve the potatoes. And then steam broccoli. The food has been served. Okay. We are eating now, y'all. Food's cooked and I'm excited to eat. Oh, Samway? Oh, you just started it? Nah, it's okay. I gotta melt fast, but. Oh my gosh. Pumwen, pumwen. Cheers! I forgot that part. She texted me and asked if we got the water and we haven't. So they're probably like, "What's this? Sorry, do you guys want another steak?" Yes, please. It is a little bit overcooked, my opinion. It's fine. As long as it's still warm. Then I use to steak. The potato's good. We put some of the steak sauce in it. Pizza crazy. She doesn't want the fat, I want it. And we're made fat. Everybody's giving the fat. Well, I don't like. I like eating it with the other stuff. I like eating it like with a piece of steak too. I just like it. I could use more fat. And the passion juice is good. It's made with passion. Well, looking forward to having a great night. Enjoying spending time here with the fam. That's what it's about. Enjoying the time. You guys enjoyed that quick video. Excuse me, don't mean to be rude. Always remember, stay healthy. Peace.